This is a tutorial on how to use the Korcci microwave air popper or any other popper that is, silicone, looks like this. First thing you're going to do, take your popcorn, put it in there, make sure it's to the point where you can still see, depending on how much popcorn you want, you can still see the outside line. So like that would be the max I would do. So you can still see the outside line in there. Go ahead and put the top on. Go ahead and put this in the microwave. All microwaves are different. Ours is, I think, 1200 watts. 3 minutes is a good place to start. This air popper works a little bit different from the bag, so your standard popcorn levels probably will not work with this. What you're going to want to do instead is wait until there's about 2 seconds in between each pop, and then you can go ahead and take it out. Wait a little bit longer. Start counting in between pops. Okay. It might be a little bit hot, so I would recommend using 2 hands and grabbing it by these little tabs to take it out. You can put it in a bowl to enjoy like I will, or you can just eat it right out of here. Like this video if this helped.